will show you an AI tool that can generate you an entire month's worth of YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram Reels in just a few minutes. It's incredibly easy. All you need to do is find a YouTube video you like, copy the link, paste it into the AI platform, and hit Get Clips for free. I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this easily. I'll also show you the final result in the end, and you'll be surprised how good the actual video is. Opus Clip leverages AI technology to turn lengthy videos into shareable shorts effortlessly. Powered by GPT-4, it makes content creation super fun and easy. Instead of manually chopping up videos yourself, Opus Clip intelligently selects the most valuable moments from various parts of your video, creating structured, viral-worthy clips. This AI-powered video generator saves you time and effort and makes your content creation process a breeze. Step 1. Find a video you love on YouTube. I will use Dr. Mike's podcast in this example, but I recommend using your own long-form videos and turning them into shorts. That way you have more content to share with your audience. And it's a good way to repurpose your original content and use them on other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Step 2. Once you have chosen a video, copy the link. Step 3. Go to this video's description or pinned comments down below and click the link I put there. This will direct you to the Opus Clip website. Step 4. Once you are on the Opus Pro website, paste the link of your long-form video on this space right here and hit Get Clips for free. Step 5. Opus Clip will now process the video and you will receive an email notification once it's done. Enter your email address here, or you may also sign in using your Google account. After this, you will receive a verification code in your email. Copy the verification code and simply go back to Opus Clip and paste this code. Opus Clip now works its magic and generates incredible, potentially viral clips from your chosen video. The generation time may vary depending on the platform's traffic, but in my experience, it only takes 10 minutes max to come up with 10 to 20 short videos. Step 6. Now the process is complete. Here at the top, we can see the first video labeled number 1. It gives us a very nice title, and then it kind of tells us why it has a score of 99. And this is called the viral score, and the likelihood that this video is going to go viral on Shorts, TikToks, and Reels. Then here you can just download the video and post it to your social media platforms. Or if you go over here, you can actually edit the clip. And voila! In just a few minutes, you'll have a bunch of shorts, which would normally take you months to finish. Opus Clip has a free forever plan, but we recommend trying out their essential plan for only $19 per month, which allows you to have 200 minutes worth of clips. Let's look at the results.
I told you the risks of getting an IV, but if you continue getting IVs, I'm not going to judge you for it. Go nuts.
So
Nuts again.
He just thinks you're stupid.
We're saying nuts again.
Gonads.
Oh, gonads.
Gonads.
Gonads. You eat healthy?
I mean, not really. Not all the time. I try and eat healthy. I'm human too.
You like sweets?
You know what I ate for breakfast this morning?
No.
Donuts.
Comment down below and let us know what you think of Opus Clip.
If you want to learn how I earn thousands of dollars in ad revenue by creating a faceless YouTube channel, then click this next video we created for you.